We've just acquired this lovely looking Volvo V60 R design. Absolutely mint condition, I don't say that often. It's lovely. Alloy wheels, absolutely unmarked, diamond cut black. Bodywork on this car is fantastic. If I'm being critical, there's a few marks on the rear bumper. Nothing major, you always get them, that's what bumpers are there for on the rear. Absolutely beautiful. Load covers there, boot area immaculate. It's obviously got the full R design body styling kit, twin exhausts. Special R design seats with the white stitch piping. It's the facelift model. We've got the better tiles in the interior. It's an 114,486. Drive side has done 20,000 miles. R design body styling kit, bar design steering wheel, automatic headlights, cruise control, magic soul, what a tune. There we go, climate control, locking wheel nut, centre armrest with USB and aux. CAMBELT has been done on this car as well, it's very important. It's all ready to go. DJ's with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.